So this is how you can add a new event on the calendar on iPhone. Let me show you how it works. Let's get started. If you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this. So you get to your calendar app as usual, right? And you can see that we have the calendar view, either the month or, different styles. But personally, I like to open it up in like 1 day view. So I can just go to the single day and just hold down on the place where I want to create the event, right? So that's how I can add it like this, and it will appear right away, giving me the ability to set up the title, the location, and all of the other settings. Keep in mind that you can also tap the plus button in at the top right, and it goes to the same window, but there you have to just specifically choose the time because I haven't clicked it before, so that's how it works. Make sure that you're not in the reminder section, but in the event. Right there, click the title, as I said, choose the date and time and all of the different things. However, one important button below is to categorize it within the proper calendar. So you can tap on the calendar right here. And in my case, I have the home, I have work, and I have one random, which is untitled. Just for the sake of the video, they all have different colors. And that's how you can decide where you want to categorize it. Because on the main calendar view, you can tap the button below and see the different calendar types, right? So you can see that you can even create a brand new one at the bottom. So more categorization or organization is available. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know if something else showed up on your screen or if it didn't work. Let me know about that below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about that. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing so you don't miss anything, and I'll see you later.